Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Arnish Shah, branch CSE library number 23CY1517, section Garpin. The subject today is applied chemistry and the topic is corrosion. Introduction to corrosion. Welcome to our presentation on corrosion. Corrosion is a silent but destructive process that affects metals. It occurs when metal is exposed to an electrolyte and becomes a cathode and anode. In this presentation, we will explain the definition, types, causes, effects, prevention, and control methods of corrosion, along with real-life case studies. Let's dive in. Definition of corrosion. Corrosion can be defined as the destruction or loss of metals or alloys by the surrounding environment through chemical or electrochemical reactions. Chemical reaction. During corrosion, metal atoms lose electrons, leading to the release of metal ions. This process involves complex chemical reactions and can be accelerated by factors such as moisture and temperature. Fundamentals of corrosion. Corrosion is a natural process that converts a refined metal into a more chemically stable form. In corrosion, the metal acts as the anode and cathode in an electrochemical cell. Corrosion. Corrosion may occur either in a dry environment or an aqueous medium. The former is called dry corrosion and the latter is called wet corrosion. Dry corrosion. Chemical corrosion. Dry corrosion involves the direct attack of metals by dry gases, mainly through chemical reactions. It occurs by direct attacks of atmospheric gases such as oxygen, hydrogen, sulfide, halogens, and sulfur dioxide on the metal forming oxide layer. Example: the attack of dry air or oxygen on a metal to form an oxide layer over the surface. Wet corrosion, electrochemical corrosion. Wet corrosion involves reactions in aqueous solution medium. The conducting surface of the metal undergoes an electrochemical reaction with the moisture and oxygen in the atmosphere, rusting of iron. Wet corrosion is explained on the basis of electrochemical theory. Types of corrosion. Galvanic corrosion. When two metals having different electrolyte potentials are in contact with each other in the presence of an electrolyte, one metal acts as a cathode whereas the other acts as an anode. This leads to an electrochemical reaction as a result of which the anode is dissolved into the electrolyte. Pitting corrosion. This type of corrosion is observed when dust particles or oil drops deposited over the metal surface. Pitting corrosion is due to metal surface is not homogeneous, external environment is not homogeneous, etc. Cervix corrosion. Cervix corrosion is localized attack on a metal surface at or immediately adjacent to the gap or surface between two joining surfaces when exposed to a tangent electrolyte. Causes of corrosion. Moisture. Water is one of the main culprits in corrosion. It provides a conducive environment for chemical reactions to occur, accelerating the corrosion process. Oxygen. The presence of oxygen is crucial for the corrosion of most metals. It reacts with metal atoms, initiating the corrosion process by forming metal oxides. Salt. Salt, especially in the form of salty wet water or salt-laden air, significantly enhances corrosion due to its corrosive effects on metals. Effects of corrosion. Structural integrity. Corrosion can compromise the structural integrity of buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure, leading to potential failures and safety hazards. Economical impact. The economic impact of a corrosion is substantial, leading to costly repairs, downtime, and replacement of metal assets. Implementing effective corrosion prevention measures can result in significant cost saving, etc. Environmental concerns. Corrosion can not only affect the structural integrity of metals but also has environmental implications. The release of metal ions and pollutants due to corrosion can impact ecosystems and human health. Prevention and control methods. Protective coatings. Corrosion is prevented by the application of protective coating on the surface of metal. Thereby, the metal surface is isolated from the corrosive environment. Important types of protective coating are metal coating and organic coating. Metal coating. The process of coating base metal with a layer of protective metal is known as metal coating. Anodic coating, example galvanization. Cathodic coating. Inorganic coating. These coatings are produced at the surface of the metal by chemical or electrochemical reaction. Example and oxidizing and phosphating. Prevention and control methods. Cathodic protection. Cathodic protection is the technique of offering protection to a specimen against corrosion by providing electrons from an external source. There are two important methods of cathodic protection: sacrificial anode method, impressed current voltage method. Sacrificial anode method. It involves the use of metal which is anodic to the specimen. In this method, the metallic structure to be protected is connected to a more anodic metal using a metallic wire. More active metal gas corroded, while the parent metallic structure is protected from corrosion. Prevention and control methods. Design and material selection. Selecting corrosion resistant materials such as stainless steels or alloys can greatly reduce the susceptibility of structures or equipment to corrosion. Case study of corrosions in infrastructure. The impact of electrochemical corrosion on critical infrastructure such as bridges, pipelines, and buildings can be catastrophic. Marine corrosion. An analysis of corrosion in marine environments, exploring the challenges and solutions for protecting ships and offshore structures. Automotive corrosion. An examination of corrosion in the automotive industry, discussing the effects of weather, road, soil, and factors on vehicle deterioration. Types of corrosion testing. Corrosion testing encompasses different methods to assess the corrosion resistance of materials and structures. Some common types of corrosion testing include accelerated corrosion testing, salt spray testing, electrochemical testing, immersion testing, cyclic corrosion testing, etc. Conclusion and summary. Corrosion is a pervasive threat to metal assets, but with effective prevention and proactive measures, its detrimental effects can be mitigated. By understanding the mechanisms of corrosion and embracing innovative prevention techniques, we can ensure the longevity and sustainability of metal surface. Thank you. I hope you liked the video and see you next time.